The piston pumps the paint or stain through your sprayer. It will wear out over time. The length of its life is determined by the type of material that is being sprayed. When it takes more than 20 seconds for the suction tube to prime, or if there is excessive material leaking, then it is time to replace the piston. Replacing the piston is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nozzle from the front of the paint sprayer. I twist the gray collar until it comes loose. Now remove the lock nut. With the lock nut removed, now I can separate the pump housing from the motor. And at the rear of the pump housing, you'll find the piston. I'll go ahead and pull the piston away from the pump housing and remove the spring from the piston. Now I'll install the spring onto the new piston and insert the piston into the pump housing. Now I'll slide the motor assembly back onto the pump housing and secure it with the lock nut. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the nozzle. And now you know how to install a new piston in your paint sprayer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.